Good evening, students. Today in online class, I had discussed with you how to prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and sales return book. Now, the next book is journal proper or general journal. When do we prepare journal proper or general journal? You know that cash transactions are recorded in the cash book. Credit transactions, credit purchase of goods are recorded. Credit purchase of goods or material dealt in are recorded in purchase book. Credit sale of goods are recorded in sales book. Return of goods purchased on credit are recorded in purchase return book, and return of goods on credit to customer are recorded in sales book, sales return book. These are the books which we prepare. Now the next is, apart from the above transaction, there are other transactions which have to be recorded. These transactions are recorded in journal proper. Journal proper is used to record those transactions which cannot be recorded in any of the other subsidiary books. The role of the journal proper is thus usually restricted to the following types of entries. Number one is opening entry. How do we prepare opening entries? It is very easy. When we have to prepare opening entries, all the assets must be debited. All the assets must be debited. Assets must be debited, and all the liabilities must be credited. Liabilities must be credited, and if the balance between the both is written with the name of capital bit, it will also be created. Capital will also be created. Assets must be debited, liabilities must be created, and if capital is not given, so difference between assets and liabilities, that will be treated as capital. Clear? Now example number 10. Followings are the ledger balances on 31st March 2020. Building account, building is asset, that must be debited. Building is asset, so that must be debited. Building is debited here. Next is furniture, furniture is asset, that must be debited. Debtors is the asset, that must also be debited. Creditors is liability, that must be credited. We will write on the credit side. Bank overdraft, it is liability, we will write on the credit side. Capital is given here, so that must be credited, and cash, that must be debited because it is assets. So these are the assets and these are the liabilities. Assets and these are liabilities. Here capital is given, so total of both the sides will be equal. If capital is given, then total of both the sides must be equal. Clear beta? So building account debit, furniture account debit, debtors account debit, cash account debit, all assets are debited. To creditors, to bank overdraft, to capital, all liabilities must be credited along with capital, and the total of both the sides is equal. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next example is the balance sheet of Raj Gopal as at 31st March 2020 is as under. Assets have been given, liabilities are here. Pass opening entry in the books of Raj Gopal. So all the assets must be debited. Assets are journal proper, will write the heading journal proper, and date particular LF, debit rupiah, credit rupiah. Assets clearly given on the asset side, we will write all the assets here. Cash account debit, bank account debit, sundry debtors account debit, stock account debit, furniture account debit, plant and machinery account debit, land and building account debit. These are the assets, so that these must be debited, and liabilities must be credited. Liabilities are outstanding salaries to it is liability. Credit, creditors liability credit, bank loan liability credit, capital liability is credit, being the last year's balance of asset, liabilities and capital brought forward. So that these are the questions based on opening entries. The rule is very simple. All the assets must be debited and all the liabilities must be credited. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So all the assets must be debited, all the liabilities must be credited, and capital must also be credited. If capital is not given, so the difference between assets and liabilities, that will be treated as capital. तो कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू एसेट्स माइनस लाइबिलिटीज. एसेट के टोटल में से लाइबिलिटी टोटल घटा देंगे, जो बचेगा बेटे वो कैपिटल कहलाएगा. यहाँ टोटल दे रखा आपको, तो दोनों साइड बराबर हो जाएंगी आपकी। आई होप question and answer both are clear to you. In the next video we will take the next topic.